What if I told you that Lucid just made a game changer out there? Not only do we now have the ability for daily payouts, but now we can pick our own rules in the evaluation phase. Now, when you first go to Lucid Trading's website, you're only going to see the Lucid Pro, the Lucid Flex, or the Lucid Direct accounts. And as we can see, I don't see anywhere we can go ahead where we can pick the rules that we like. However, if you log into Lucid Trading, go right over here to your portal, enter all your credentials, you can see now that if you go down here to where it says add account, what do we see? Lucid Pro, Lucid Flex, Lucid Daily, and the Lucid Direct account. Now with Lucid Daily, here's where we can go ahead and choose what rules we like. If you look at the drawdown in the evaluation, click EOD or intraday drawdown. Daily loss limit. Do you want a daily loss limit? Yes or no, I do not want a daily loss limit. Now, depending on which options we have, will determine what the price is going to be for that evaluation. So now if we want to see all the rules with this account, we come right back to the homepage of Lucid Trading, right there where it says FAQ. Now from the FAQ, you want to go to where it says Lucid Daily. Click on Lucid Daily, and here's where we can go ahead and we can learn all about we go to Lucid Daily customizations. We can scroll down and it shows what I just showed you guys a moment ago. Daily loss limit, on or off, evaluation, in the day or intraday trailing drawdown. And that is kind of similar to with Apex accounts. With Apex, they don't give us the option to toggle the daily loss limit on or off. The way we do that is just by picking intraday or EOD accounts. Now, daily loss limit, I believe this is going to be a soft breach. So if you do hit the daily loss limit, no big deal. You're locked out for the remainder of the day. But what's going to really be the deciding factor for a lot of traders is, do they want an EOD account or do you want the intraday trailing drawdown? Let me know in the comment section down below, which drawdown type do you guys like best? Now, the difference, in case you guys are new to trading with props, end of the day drawdown means that every day after 5 o'clock, if you made money in the account, then the drawdown will essentially move up. With an intraday trailing drawdown, as you're in a trade, every time your account makes a new equity high, even if you have not closed out the trade, the drawdown will continue to move up. And if we look, regardless if we pick EOD or intraday trailing drawdown, the maximum loss limit we're going to get is going to be $2,000. Now, if we look at the next option, Lucid Daily Evaluations, click right there. And in the 50K account, since this is the most popular account size, this is going to be the account that I focus on the most in this video. 50K account, profit target 3K. Max loss limit, $2,000. Consistency, 50%. So what that means is it's going to take us a minimum of 2 days in order to pass the evaluation. Max contracts that we can trade is going to be 4 minis or 40 micros. Now, remember with Lucid, one thing I do love about them, there is a one-time payment. There is no monthly reoccurring fee. So what that means is either you hit the profit target of $3,000, then you move on to the funded stage, or you hit your maximum loss limit. Therefore, you end up blowing up the account. And with Lucid Trading, there's no activation fee. And once you pass the evaluation, you can activate it within 30 minutes. Normally, it's just a couple minutes. I just throw 30 minutes out there to give Lucid a little extra room. Now, if we look at Lucid payouts, how is the payout policy going to work with Lucid Daily payouts? We know that there is a buffer in the Pro account. The Flex account has had no buffer. Those are the two most popular accounts. Well, let's look real quick. Number one, profit over buffer balance. So in the 50K account, if we have a $50,000 account size, we have to grow the account to $52,100 before we can even think about taking out a payout. So we have to hit over the buffer by $100. Now, the net profit in between payout cycles is going to be a minimum of $1. And when we look down here real quick, this is going to be the maximum daily payout. 50K account, the max that we're going to be able to take out would be $8,000. Anything above that, then the trader will then be moved to a live account. Now, the minimum payout request per account is going to be $500. So payout timing and processing, there is no fixed payout window. You may request a payout any day after meeting all the eligibility criteria. So let me know in the comment section down below, are you going to be trying out the new Lucid Daily plan, or do you prefer the Lucid Flex or even the Lucid Pro account? And don't forget, you can always go to propfirmmike.com and sort by the prop firms and the challenges. And when you're looking to pick a prop firm, something you may want to consider is go right to the firm and look under platforms. Do they have NinjaTrader prop? The 3 prop firms I trade with that has NinjaTrader prop, well, Take Profit Trader, Lucid Trading, and Tradeify. Now, if you're ready to pick up that new Lucid Daily account, don't forget you can always use code Mike to get the best deal. And if you need to learn how to set up Lucid Trading so you can trade it on the TradingView platform, make sure to watch this next video right here.